So now let's do the deed and make a smoothie. Today, I'm gonna start with almond milk as my base. I'm gonna add a little bit of the pure aloe. I'm also going to boost with some liposomal curcumin. I'm a berry lover, so I'm basically gonna dump all the berries. Let's get into some of our vegetables. So spinach, some buttered lettuce. I like to add a little bit of lemon juice, fresh, of course. Cucumbers, give it that crisp taste. Celery. And for creaminess, I usually add avocado. So now we're gonna blast away and see how this smoothie looks before I add more ingredients, okay? And the Vitamix, you don't need a Vitamix, but it does make life easier. Okay, I've blended enough for my next phase. I like to add the bell peppers always. Being an eye doctor, we love zeaxanthin. And then last but not least, I'm gonna add a few apples for sweetness. And then as I had mentioned before, I do like to add some protein, and that helps keep you full, okay? So one more blend. Okay, I think we look nice. So now I'm gonna pour this into a really pretty container. And you could present this at a party. You can preserve it in your fridge with some sealed containers. But either way, enjoy. Thanks for watching.